Okay, here number 8, we have equations with two variables. And that's the topic, right? We can see that from the answers, always glancing down at the answers quickly to ground us. We do need to be able to create one equation with two different variables. And often what they're going to do is give those variables a different, quote, weight. I don't mean literal weight, but here we've got questions worth 1 point, but other questions worth 3 points, right? So that's a weighted, scale. So the fact here, the tool here is then use the answers for illogic, right? And then eliminate. So I had already given you the tool in an earlier problem about using the answers and distinguishing between the different parts, right? But here we have 70 for everything. So we know that's not going to help, right? But then if we look at the different answers, we can immediately see that if we look at A or B, they're not weighted. So we don't have the X or the Y doing anything different. And we know that the questions are worth different amounts. So it can't be A or B. That seems really obvious. And so we're down to C or D. And that means that whichever one here is going to make sense, right? Does the X go with the 3, or does the X go with the 1, the 1 point questions, which would be that invisible one there. And they give us that the X represents the 1 point questions. So we know it has to be this one, right? There's no other way to do it, whereas Y represents the 3 point questions. So D is our answer in number 8.